We're getting in some breaking updates now, viewers. The latest updates from the Reban encounter in Shopian in South Kashmir. 5 terrorists have now been killed in this operation, which has been on since 8 a.m. today morning. Arms and ammunition have also been recovered along with the bodies of 5 terrorists. This is the latest updates coming in from the South Kashmir area of Shopian, where now 5 terrorists have been killed in this operation that has been on from over 9 hours now. Arms and ammunition has also been recovered along with bodies of all the 5 terrorists. Let's go across to Zeenat, who has more on this. So Zeenat, this operation has been on for over 9 hours now, and finally 5 terrorists have been killed. They have been gunned down, and take us to the details.
See, this is an encounter that was launched by the security forces in Reban, village of Shopian in South Kashmir, where the security forces have gunned down 5 terrorists. In fact, all the bodies from the encounter site have been recovered along with arms and ammunition. This will be seen again as success for the security forces without any collateral damage in Shopian. Although earlier, the youth went near the encounter site where they tried to pelt stones towards the security forces to disrupt the anti-militancy operation. But we also saw how the JK police managed the situation on ground, because they used the public address them asking people to stay away from the encounter site. But yes, it has been confirmed from the top sources of Jammu Kashmir police along with the army that 5 terrorists have been gunned down in today's operation in Shopian.
All right, so big update and a victory for our forces. In fact, Zeenat, another question to you. This was a very long operation that went on for over 9 hours. Take us to the details of when it started and how did it really reach its conclusion as well, with 5 terrorists being killed and also their bodies be recovered.
See, this encounter actually started in the morning when the first exchange of fire was reported from Reban Shopian. But although the CASO coordinated search operation launched by the security forces yesterday late night, after getting the intel that there are the militants that are trapped in this very area, and accordingly, with the first light of today, with the first light of sun, the cordon was tightened. In fact, all entry and exit points were sealed by the security forces so that these terrorists should not manage to escape. In fact, there had been a couple of exchange of fire early morning also, the way we saw the encounter really panned out. But yes, it is that the 5 militants have been gunned down by the security forces in Shopian Reban, and also without any collateral damage. This was an encounter, and the people and the security forces that participated in this very encounter are from 1st RR Shopian, right, along with Jammu Kashmir Police, SOG, and also CRPF.
All right. Thank you so much, Zeenat, for getting us that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more details.